The most common complaint I hear from my algebra students is, why am I learning this? I will never use this ever again in real life. The truth is, students will use important skills they learn: critical thinking, problem solving skills, and you'll learn to translate real world problems into math modeling in order to solve the problem. Let me give you some examples, and you be the judge. Is algebra useful or not? So an example is, suppose you know your income and at the same time are fully aware of what your expenses are. The question is, how much can you spend on fun and still have $100 each month? Algebra will be the tool that will help us find that missing number, whether we use an equation or not, and it helps us with more complicated questions along with critical thinking skills. Here's another example to think about. Suppose you want to live off of an income of $6,000 when you retire. How much should you save in order to secure that income? While that scenario might sound a little complicated, we can take a look at one more scenario that's a little bit more practical. A group of 7 students decide to do a volunteer project and buy food for the needy. Once they do so, they need to decide how much will each pay to make it even. As your skills build, we can handle more complicated scenarios in algebra. Consider this. I have a team project and it requires a ratio of 2 to 3 men to women, but yet I only can hire 60 individuals. How many males and females should I hire? So in that example, I introduced another unknown. Those unknowns are what we call variables. The greater number of variables, the higher the algebra skills that are needed. The truth is, and the bottom line is, algebra is useful. So, turn that frown upside down and jump in and get excited about your lesson. Reach out so that I can help you out.